hope all are good. Today let me start GK Unit 1, the natural world, chapter number 1, flying high. Every kind of bird has its own characteristics. Can you name the following birds? Let me start. Number 1, it is the only type of songbird that lives in and around water. It can swim underwater and even walk along stream beds as it searches for insect prey. So it is dipper. Number 2, its giant beak is full of air holes. Okay, it is not heavy enough to overbalance the bird. At 23 centimeter, its bill is much longer than its body. So when it sleeps, it turns its head around and lays its bill down its back. Toucan. It is among the fastest flying birds. It may fly through the night without landing. It may even sleep on the wing. When it's landed, it clings to vertical surfaces such as walls, cliffs, and trees. Its feet become so weak that it is often called the footless one. So it is swift. Number 4, it is a large wading bird with long neck, very long legs, webbed feet, and pink plumage. The bill is specialized for filter feeding. They often occur in huge numbers, mainly on salt lakes and lagoons. It is flamingo. Number 5, it is a parrot of New Zealand that eats meat as well as fruit. It was once wrongly thought to be a sheep killer. It is key. Number 6, the male birds of this species are very noisy in the breeding season, calling frequently during the day, especially cloudy and often into the night. When not breeding, they are silent and unobtrusive. This bird is notorious for their nest parasitism. It is cuckoo. It is a large sculling bird with long graduated tail and weak flight. It is terrestrial, found in dense undergrowth, bamboo, tall grassland, or scrub jungles. It eats small animals and invertebrates. It is toucan. There is an old saying that the weather will be good when they fly high, but bad when they fly low. Okay, this is based on the fact that in a wet weather, insects stay near it to the ground. So this bird flies low to eat them. The ancient Romans used it as messenger to carry news of the chariot races to neighboring towns. So it is swallow. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 2. Forest, a gift of nature. Number 2. The world of plants. Take the right answer. Plant and anatomy is the study of internal structure of plants. Flowering plants are called phanerogamia. Into how many groups is the plant kingdom divided? 4. Algae differ from fungi in having it is chlorophyll. Number 5, known flowering plants are called, it is cryptogams. Number 6, the stalk of a flower is called, it is thalamus. Number 7, wait, it is 6, na? No. The stalk of a flower is called pedicel. Number 7, trees which shed their leaves every year are called deciduous trees. Number 8, the basic unit of classification is generally considered to be the species, genera and class. It is species. Number 9, which part of the plant supplies water and salt to the plant which help them to prepare food? So it is roots. Number 10, plants that cannot prepare their own food and have to depend on their nutrition upon ready-made organic foods are called parasites. Which of the following antibiotics was discovered by Alexander Fleming? Penicillin. The green portion of the leaves is called lamina. It is C. Okay. So the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 3. Forest, a gift of nature. Forests are an important gifts of nature. They give us many useful things. They also provide shelter and a home to animals. So hidden in this word, search are the names of some forests. Read the clue and find the names. These forests are mostly found in the desert areas. They can survive without water for a long of time. Tall. Number 2, these forests are mostly found in the higher regions of the Himalaya mountains. They are also called coniferous forests. So these are the deciduous. This one. Number 3, these forests are mostly found in the deltas of river and in areas which are flooded by sea water. So these are the evergreen. Number 4, these forests do not shed their leaves, they remaining green throughout the year. Mountain. Next one. These forests are less luxuriant and shed their leaves only once a year during the dry season and have conical leaves. This is tidal. Now question B. Write the names of these in the correct column. So the evergreen tree. Rosewood and mahogany. Okay. Number 2, deciduous, teak and sal. Thorn, cheer and kicker. This one, khejri and kicker. Mountain, cheer or devdar. Okay. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the new and the next chapter, chapter number 4. The world of insect. Insects have a hard exoskeleton, a 3-part body that consists of the head, thorax and abdomen, 3 pairs of joint legs, compound eyes and 2 antenna. Read the clues and solve the word puzzle. Okay. Number 2. A dark colored winged insect feeds on the flea. F-L-E-A. Okay? Done. Number 4. Related to the butterfly, most species are nocturnal. It is moth. M-O-T-H. Next one, number 5, has a flat body and a long antenna. Males of the species chirp, named after a sport. Cricket. C-R-I-C-K-E-T. Cricket. Number 7. Flying insects feeds on nectar and pollens from flowers. Bee. It is bee. Next one. Number 8. Has a short antenna. Some species make a noise. Look at is a common subspecies. So it is a grasshopper. Number 8. R-A-S-S-H-O-P-P-E-R. Grasshopper. Okay. Now number 9. Fastest flying insect has an elongated body generally found near water bodies. So it is dragonfly. Which number? Number is 9. Dragonfly. Okay. Now down, ये तो हुआ हमारा across. अब आते हैं down पे. Has the largest number of species among all insects. Beetle. Okay. Now number 3. Common flying insect. Females of the species suck blood, cause diseases such as malaria and yellow fever. Mosquito. Number is 3. Mosquito. M-O-S-Q-U-I-T-O. Mosquito. Okay. Next one. Number 6. Nocturnal insect generally omnivores, commonly found in the kitchen. Cockroach. It is number 6. COC. ACH. It is cockroach. Next one, number 7, has a 4-stage life cycle: egg, larva, known as caterpillar, pupa, and adult. So it is a butterfly. Number 7, butterfly. And the last one is a social insect, lives in colony, is considered very hardworking. Ant, बहुत hard work करती है ये. Okay, everyone. So the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 5. At a great risk. Fill in the missing letter to name these endangered species. Number 1, solitary snake from Central and South American rainforest. Okay, savannas and semi-arid areas. It is related to the larger anaconda and it's often hunted for its skin. It is boa constrictor. Constrictor. Okay, number 2, the only flightless and nocturnal parrot. This one stays in the rainforest. Okay, so, and grasslands of New Zealand, and faces threat of extinction due to the predatory animals and as they were brought in by the settlers. It is tadpole. Number 3, this medium-sized cat lives in the rainforest and grassland in South and Central America. Though legally protected now, it was once killed for its valuable fur. So, ये है ocelot. CELET. This pouchless marsupial lives in the open woodlands of Western Australia, which is now being destroyed for farms and homes. So it is numbat. 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 Number 5, found in the deep waters of the ocean from the Arctic to the equator and in the Mediterranean Sea. This endangered species of whale has a distinct shape and an unusually large box-like head. So this is sperm whale. Number 6, this small dog-sized animal is found only on the Australian island state of Tasmania. It is the largest carnivorous marsupial. Introduction of predators resulted in the dwindling number of the animal. So it is Tasmanian devil. Tasmanian Tasmanian devil. Okay, so everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 6. Astounding animals fact. This only Only for reading. Sea otters, number 1. Sea otters hold hand while they are sleeping so they don't drift apart. Lana the chimpanzee can use a keyboard to ask for food, music and companionship using symbols on a computer. Trained pigeons can tell the difference between the painting of Pablo Picasso and Claude Monet. In 1 minute, an elephant's heart beats around 25 times. The leatherback is the world's largest turtle. It is a very good swimmer. It can dive to depths greater than 3,000 feet. 9 armadillos always give birth to identical quadrupeds. The polar bear is the largest meat-eating animal on land. It is 3 times the size of a lion. Ardi was the first Ardua born in captivity in America. It was born on September 29, 1967 in Crandon Park Zoo in Florida. It is an African mammal that has ears like a donkey, tail like a kangaroo's, and a long sticky tongue. It feeds on ants and termites. The first living space passenger was Laika. It was a bitch. She was launched into orbit in Sputnik 2 by Russian on November 3, 1957. Rin Tin Tin was a male German shepherd that was an international star in motion picture. He was the first dog to earn $1 million. His first movie was Where the North Begins, which was released in 1925. Coco is a female western lowland gorilla who is known for having learned a large number of hand signs. She was born in July 1971 and is trained by Dr. Franklin Patterson of Stanford University of California. Abel and Baker were the first animals to be sent into space by the United States government. They were sent in Jupiter rocket on May 28, 1959. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 7. Natural heals. Look at the pictures, read the description and write the names of these medicinal leaves and plants. Dash leaves are used to cure cough, cold, bronchitis and fever. So it is tulsi. Number 2. Dash is used to heal wounds, cuts, burn and to reduce inflammation. It is aloe vera. Number 3. Dash is used to treat nucleus, open sores, leprosy and venous insufficiency. So what is it? It is Gotu kola. Number 4, dash is used for the treatment of stings, sprains, sore eyes and insect bites. So what is this? It is calendula. Number 5, dash is used to cure congestion and stomach gas. So it is thyme. Number 6, dash is used to alleviate tension, stress and insomnia. Lavender. It is lavender. Number 7, dash is used to treat diabetes, lower cholesterol levels and stomach and intestinal nuclear. It is fenugreek. Number 8, dash is used to cure flatulence, excessive perspiration, anxiety and depression. It is said. Dash is regarded as the world's oldest medicine. It is used for the treatment of upset stomach, irritable bowel syndrome and spastic colon. So it is peppermint. Number 10, Dash is best known for the treatment of tumor, pain, eye problems, brain cell, degeneration and heart problems. So it is ashwagandha. Number 11, Dash is used to cure abdominal pain, headache, muscle cramps and stress related conditions. It is lemongrass. Number 12, Dash is used to obtain relief from inflammation in circulatory system and nervous system. It is kus. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 8. Quiz on nature. Now check your knowledge about living creatures of the natural world. Write T against true statement and F against false ones. So the number 1, the king cobra is the world's longest venomous snake. Yes, true. Number 2, an ostrich can grow to a height of 2.5 meter. Yes, true. Number 3, the Komodo dragon does not grow more than 1 meter. False. Number 4, the marine iguanas can also live in the sea for up to an hour. It is true. Number 5, vampire bats that live in Central America and South America drink blood. Number 5, it is true. Vampire bat. Number 6, an owl can easily move its eye sideways to see its surrounding. Yes, true. वो अपनी आंखें गोल गोल घुमाता है. Female newts wrap their egg in a leaf to protect them from predators. Yes, true. Number 8, Tasmania devil looks like cross between a black rat and a dog. Number 8, it is true. A giant sequoia in California grew up to 85 meters in height and has a diameter of about 8 meters and is the biggest tree in the world. Yes, true. Parrotfish get their name because they eat nuts like parrots. Yes, true. The kangaroo rat is mostly found in Africa. False. The puma, also known as the koga or mountain lion, can jump into the air to get into a tree and astonishing 5.5 meter length. Yes, true. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 9. God's pharmacy. God gives us great clues as to which food item helps what part of our body. Check out on your knowledge. So number 1, a sliced carrot look like the human eye. And yes, science now shows carrots greatly enhance blood flow and are also good for our eyes. So carrot is good for our eyes. Grapes hang in a cluster many times, acquiring the shape of a heart. Each grapes look like a blood cell. The research today shows that grapes are also profound heart and blood vitalizing food. A walnut look like a tiny brain with a left and right hemisphere. So upper cerebrums and lower cerebrums, even the wrinkles of folds, the nut look like that neocortex. The research say that walnuts have developed more than 3 dozen neuron transmitters for brain functioning. A tomato has 4 chambers and is red. The heart has 4 chambers and is red. Scientists tell us that tomatoes are loaded with lycopene and are good for heart and blood. Kidney beans means rajma actually heal and help maintain kidney function, and yes, so they look exactly like the human kidneys. Celery and bok choy resemble bones. These foods specially target bone strength. Bones are 23% sodium and these foods are 23% sodium. If you don't have enough sodium in your diet, the body draws it out from the bones, thus making them weak. Onions look like the body cells. Today's research shows onions help to clear waste materials from the body cells. They even produce tears which wash the epithelial layers of the eyes. So everyone, so the all chapter of this units are completed here. I hope you all are very well understanding this chapter. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.